Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Akash. I am a cybersecurity analyst and a threat hunter. So in today's video, I will going to discuss about the Wireshark. I'm going to tell you about the basic features of Wireshark, how it can be useful for you and how you can utilize. But I'm going to talk about in my language. What exactly I have learned about the Wireshark and all. Okay, so let's get started. So what is Wireshark basically? So in my language, Wireshark is a powerful tool. Basically, it's a network packet analyzer. If we are talking about in a one-liner short form, it's a network packet analyzer. It's a powerful tool, you can say, to capture and interactively browse network traffic running on a computer networks. And of course, it's a free open source software as well. So if I'm talking about its feature, so it's a number one feature, it's real-time packet capture. That is also a great feature of this Wireshark tool. Basically, in this feature you can capture live network traffic, advanced interface selection you can do. You have a option to customize capture filters, multiple interface support, and another one is deep protocol dissection and analysis. With this feature you have 3000 plus protocols supported. Protocol specific dissection is there, protocol reassembly is there, also decryption of encrypted traffic. This feature is also there. Then next jump in the another feature of this Wireshark, which is, we can say, powerful, oops my bad, it's powerful filtering and traffic management. Oops my bad, traffic management. In this feature there is a capture filtering is there, display filters is there, complex multi-protocol filter is there, or you can say colorization rules is there. Let's jump into another stuff with this tool. We can say the another feature of this tool, which is in-depth packet inspection. With this feature you can packet dissection, you can do raw packet data, you can analyze, you can follow TCP UDP streams, you can analyze the graph, flow graph, and other things. Next feature of this tool is statistical and expert, oops my bad, once again, expert level analysis. With this feature there is a protocol hierarchy and usage, you can say. There is a IO graph is there, conversation and endpoint list is there, expert information system is there, round trip time, which we are used to say RTT calculation, is there. Next feature, if we are talking about it, next feature is advanced decryption capabilities. In this there is only two basic features. You have TLS and SSL decryption, or WPA2 Wi-Fi traffic decryption. Next we can say extensibility and automation. With this feature you can manage custom plugin and scripting, command line analysis, and T-Shark custom profiles and settings. Next we are talking about for exporting and sharing results. Basically every tool has a capability to export data, or we can say to export the logs to understand more. So what you can do, guys, like packet exporting in multiple formats is there, and extracting objects from traffic, you can say, or the comprehensive reporting is there. Because export you can what you can do is, in a one liner if I'm talking about, so that of course the all of the traffic, or you can say wherever you put the filter or create a filter, no, so you can export that log as well. So this feature helps you there to export the data. Okay, so next is wireless network analysis. Okay, so in wireless you can just monitor the Wi-Fi traffic and the monitoring mode as well. So these are the 8 to 9 features basically in the Wireshark in my layman language. In the next video we will learn how to install Wireshark and how to capture the real-time packet and all. We try to explore all these 8 to 9 options in the next video. So thank you so much guys. Stay tuned, stay connected, do subscribe, like, share, comment. Bye bye. See you in the next video.